Essay on Will AI Replace Teacher in the Future? In the modern world, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming every field, including education. AI-based systems can teach lessons, give instant feedback, and even personalize learning for each student. This has raised an important question. Will AI replace teachers in the future? AI has many strengths. It can work all the time without rest, check homework faster, and provide a wide range of information. For example, online platforms like ChatGPT and virtual tutors can answer student questions immediately. These tools are very helpful in modern classrooms. However, AI lacks the emotional intelligence and human touch that teachers provide. A teacher understands when a student feels sad, nervous, or confused. They encourage, motivate, and guide students not just academically but also morally. AI can deliver lessons, but it cannot teach kindness, empathy, or discipline. The future of education will likely be a partnership between teachers and AI. Teachers will use AI tools to make learning easier and more effective, while they continue to play the most important role, shaping minds and hearts. In conclusion, AI may change the way we learn, but it can never replace the love, care, and wisdom of a teacher. The best future will be one where AI supports teachers, not replaces them.